this cauliflower recipe once and you are going to like it. Today we are going to make cauliflower and potatoes in a different style. So let's start. Heat oil, add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 green chilies which are cut in halves. We are going to saute it for a minute or two. Now we are going to add 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes which are cut in cubes, cauliflower florets, and we are going to fry it for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Now add 1 cup of frozen peas. You can also use fresh peas. And we are going to cook it on medium to low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are going to add our dry spices. For that, we are going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. We are going to roast our ginger and garlic and spices together till they turn aromatic and all the odd odor of ginger and garlic goes off completely. Our spices are roasted well. Now we are going to add 1 cup of tomato puree, salt to taste. Mix everything well. We are going to cook our tomatoes till the excess moisture is evaporated. As the tomatoes are done, now we are going to add 1 large capsicum which are cut in cubes, 2 to 3 green chilies and 1 inch chopped ginger. Mix everything well. To enhance the flavor, we are going to add Maggi Masala Magic to it. We are going to add some chopped coriander leaves and then mix everything well and transfer it to a serving dish. Our instant cauliflower recipe is ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy, instant and delicious recipes.